Hi guys! So, karon guys, kay mag-read me guys. Akong ipa-read kay nga no. Kasi ginalag cellphone guys. Inig-wake up niya guys no. Mag-cellphone na dayon siya. So, karon mag-read me kay medyo wala na dyan may tuntuon ay. Sige, let's start here Hana. What is this?
Rain.
This one.
Magic.
This.
Happy.
This.
Red.
This one.
Water.
This.
Rubber.
This.
Sister.
Pusgay mo yung sister. Sister. Louder your voice. Sister. Sister.
Sister.
This.
Sun.
This one.
Pretty.
This.
Water. House. Mother. Friends. Mother.
Alright. Very good, Hana. Sorry day kay sa background guys ha. Saba kay tanan kay si Troy gatanaw kuan in Netflix. So, ari na pud ta sa next page. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
sorry.
So guys,
Sorry guys. So let's start with the next page Hana. So the next one is this one. What's this?
yellow,
This.
white.
This one.
Phone.
Phone.
Na.
Phone.
Phone.
This one.
Pencil.
Comb.
Comb.
This one. Don't watch TV. We're reading.
Okay.
This.
Tissue. Pencil.
This one.
Pink. Blue. Color. White.
Wala sila kadungog mo. Louder your voice. Bright.
White.
Kusgay mo tingog ba? Bright. Tanaw sa camera.
White.
This.
White. Rubbery. White.
File. Very good. Very good mo naman, baby. Oy. So, karon na po. Let's move to the next page. Okay?
Okay.
And then, how about... Okay, this one.
Winter. Summer. Monday. Tuesday. Red. Friday. Four.
Kusgay mo tingog lagi.
Black.
Glass.
Cow. What?
Wind.